What's going on, you guys? Just chilling. I have 20 minutes, like 15, 20 minutes. So I wanted you guys to watch the Power Hour with me. Maybe you could learn a little bit. And right now I'm using a 15-minute chart. Let me put on a 5-minute. So you guys can see a little flag pattern, a little flag pattern. And then we just got new highs. Every time you get there's a bubble here, you guys, you can see the new highs. This is what I'm watching for. Big volume, meaning institutions, um, big people buying right here. This is what you want to see. So far, we are up good on the stock, you guys. Maybe $1 a share. Um, Hopefully, like I said on my previous video, my target, I'm swinging this trade, so hopefully it works. I'm gonna trail it up. Hopefully, once we get past the 200 MA, you guys, and we'll see what happens. This thing got earnings in a couple days, and we might have an FDA approval for in-house treatment for schizophrenia. So go read about that, you guys. If you want to learn more about that, but yeah, just wanted you guys to show you guys Power Hour and how we're squeezing right now. Hopefully, the last 15 minutes we have shorts. You know, short sellers cover. Short sellers are people who bet, like, sell the stock and then buy back later when it's cheaper. So hopefully, when it goes higher, they have to buy back to get out of their thing. So you want to see shorts get squeezed, and maybe they'll bring us even more volume. So sometimes people talk a lot of crap about shorts, but sometimes they help the situation. If you're in this for the long run, you guys, like, every little squeeze kind of helps. And if you're day trading this, you guys, a lot of people sell into squeezes too. But we'll see what happens with this one, you guys. You want to see a new high, like that. When a stock is strong, the new high keeps getting newer and newer and newer and newer. It keeps making you higher. So today I made a new high, a newer high, and then a newer high, then a newer high, and now even a newer high right now at 271. So far, the high of the day, when I say new high, like the past few days or whatever, or today, right? So the new high for the day now is 271. Now we have like 13 minutes left in the market, and we have aftermarket. But right now for the market, let's see if we make a new high. So right now, you guys, we might get another new high. Let's see. On this side, there's a 4-hour chart. You guys can see I leveled up the resistance areas. Next resistance is around a little under $3. So let's just say the $3 area. The daily's looking beautiful, you guys. If you guys look at the daily, it'll like I always say, when in doubt, zoom out. So sometimes it'll help for patience. Let's see. So far, the volume's looking nice, you guys. A lot of volume buying pressure right here. Looks like we might get a new high soon. There's at 268 buyers and sellers right here, you guys. 269, 270, 268. Earlier, there was a huge wall. When you see a big wall of sellers and then we take them out, that's like a positive sign. Right now, there's not that much of a huge wall. There's a few sellers, though. You want to see the buyers. When you're long, you want to see the buyers like outnumber the sellers a lot. But right now, it's close right now. Still a little more buyers I see. And I watch the tape also here, the times and sales, you guys, the actual transactions going through. Volume still looking great. Daily looking good. 4-hour looking beautiful. We might have a pullback, possibly to test 250 again, but we'll see what happens. Let's see. Watch that bubble, you guys. Let's see if we make a new high. So far, shorts are keeping under that new high. Yes, you guys, new high, baby. Let's see if we can squeeze till 3. You never know. Is that a new high, or could we keep going? So yeah, we're in this, you guys. We're up a few thousand. Let's see what happens. Can we get another new high? You want this to go over this candle. You even want this to stay above this candle, so we can get a higher low and a higher high. Some nice buyers coming in, you guys. A lot of traders, when they see this thing close strong, they'll come in for the next multi-day swing traders, investors, whatever. They'll come in if this thing they see a good sign, or this thing staying above VWAP like it did all day. And the daily is really nice, but be careful because they might. You never know, they might drop an offering. But to me, I'm not worried about that because they have a couple of. I like their pipeline. Like they have a few things in their pipeline. Should be doing well later on this month. I kind of like to match the fundamentals and the technicals together. You guys makes it a better trade. The balance sheet's like not too good, but it's not too bad. And the market cap is very to me is very low for something that's in FDA approved at Bull with just another stage 3 in there. So we do have room in this. That's the positive. The negative is it maybe doesn't get approved. Like it could go back down. So let's see what happens. There's a couple of risk in here. So far the new high is 275. Volume's still looking okay. 9 minutes left in the market. Let's see if they try to test it. Take it back and test 250 again. Tape looking okay so far, you guys. There's a few sellers in here, but I don't see that much huge sellers on the sellers yet. There's a few shorts coming in here. Might be some profit taking also. You guys don't want to see big numbers on the sell side. You want to see the green and bigger numbers than the red. You want to see more demand, even brighter green sometimes, depending on which broker you have. Sometimes for the last couple minutes, I like to put on either a 1 minute or a 2 minute. So we might get a little pullback here on the 2 minute. Buyers so far catching it, buying that dip so far. Big buyers on that dip. Let's see if we get sellers up here. See, watch the volume here. Got some profit taking coming in. Got some sellers coming in. Few buyers at 260. There are warrants here that I believe there are. I believe at around 420 or 450. Yeah, that's why I said be careful. You gotta get a decent entry if you want to take a little swing. Try to DCA or watch it for a little time. You gotta trade how you what matches you guys. Few buyers coming in right there. 6 minutes left in the market. Tape's looking okay to me so far. Not too bad. Do have buyers in the 250 area, 250 to 260 area. We did have a bunch of sellers at 265 earlier. Let's see if we could get past them. 265, if we could get past them, and then we could get past 275, it could go for a little squeeze. But let's see if we could get there. Need a little more volume. So far, the pattern's looking beautiful to me. I like the daily, the hourly, the 4 hour. That's what you want. You want like all the chart. You want all the charts to align. You know, you're not gonna get it perfect, but sometimes you'll get 3, 4 charts to align together and find a good entry on a smaller chart. I'm gonna go at 3 o'clock, you guys. I gotta get to the business and do a few things. So I will see you guys on the next one. I'll probably upload this when I come back. 250 testing again. 253s. Really like an area. Don't look like exact perfectly. Just try to find like a little area. Sometimes it does hold to the T, but usually that's like the area of it. Support and resistance. Sometimes it's good to just sit and watch and learn. Like I pretend sometimes I'm not in it, and then just try to sit and watch and learn. So I don't react and try to like panic or sell or maybe take profits or just keep the plan. Hopefully, we only have a few minutes left in the market. Let's see in the last couple minutes if we do have buyers. I'll switch maybe to a minute chart right now just to see if we get any buyers to come in right now. As long as we could hold above the support, this is VWAP and $2 down here, and this is the 50. So far we're above all this. As long as we could hold above this would be nice. This little area. Excuse me. Try to keep it simple, you guys. There's a lot to trading, but try your best to keep it simple. It'd be easier to follow the plan. Like I said, this is hopefully a swing for me. Just like watching, seeing some price action. See what buyers and sellers are doing. Bunch of sellers right there came in. So far, some sellers coming in right now. Let's see if the bid holds around 250. Alrighty, you guys. Let's see what happens, you guys, with this stock. We're in it. Let's see if some warrants come out or any news comes out overnight. Anything could happen. Like I said, earnings is in a few days, so be careful. Any questions, comments, leave it in the comment, you guys. Smash that like if you learned anything, and always remember, plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.